Okay, I think I made it in time for a Friday video. I don't know what time at night it is, but I just flew in from Montana, and boy, are my arms tired. Boy,
Technically, it was North Dakota.
I had to make the joke. Okay, it's a Friday, and it's it's Labor Day, right?
Correct.
It's Labor Day. Friday's not Labor Day, but some of you might watch this on Labor Day. But what do I got? I got a new PACKOUT, care of well, Jen. Her name is just Jen. So she bought me a present while we were in Montana, and partially because she filled this present up with meat. Yes, you did hear me correctly.
Hamburger Ferry made a delivery.
Somebody happens to have a hookup on a farm, and so we filled this up, and I don't... Okay, so the bag feels cold, but what did you find already? So,
It literally, like, the stitching absolutely just came off. There's not even a...
No.
Oh, no, it got cut.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it came at the seam.
All right, so I'm not going to mess around anymore. It's been, what's it? We figured
10:30 this
14
morning
hours.
Eastern.
Oh,
Everything is still frozen solid, though, and there's no extra ice in here. Our T-bones are still frozen. Our cube steaks are frozen.
okay.
I'm not mad.
And we're not going to get sick and die from, what's it called? From meat?
Food porn.
That's not meat.
Do you think I was going to leave it in the freezer the whole time?
I mean, that would be weird.
Like, it let it sit out, it would get
Right.
would have thawed.
So spoiler, this is a sale item, and we're going to get to that in a second. But we're going to be doing an in-depth cooler video where we're going to literally take the Klein, the Mod Box, all of them. We've got most of the coolers now. We might even take a chainsaw to one. But we're definitely going to do, you know, temperatures, whatever. This is the soft side toolbox, and
It's not a toolbox, it's
sorry,
a lunch
cooler,
box.
lunchbox, and a spoiler. I'll actually even get close to the camera. I already broke it. Well,
You didn't break it.
TSA.
broke it.
Yeah. Okay. That's a very clean cut. So I don't know. What do you think? Should I warranty this? What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment below if you would warranty that, or just consider it could have been worse with the baggage handlers. And if you're a baggage handler, I respect your job, but I've absolutely watched you throw this crap on the plane. So discount doesn't apply to you. No, I'm just messing around. Okay. So it's a lunchbox, but it's also a tool bag. It's got places for silverwares. It's got front pockets. Okay, that's the receipts because, you know, it's a write-off. Ew, David. Okay, big, nice front pocket. I don't know exactly what the side ripped pocket would be for. The
Beef
lid,
sticks.
what's that?
Beef sticks.
Beef sticks. The lid has a mesh pouch, so we definitely could put some sandwiches, keep them up out of the ice. Unlike the hard cooler, you didn't stop it, right? Oh, it popped up on there. It doesn't have a drain. It does have a spring-loaded pocket on this side to put other items, but I'm not going to go into crazy depth on this. I want you to see it. You guys, this has been out for a while. I finally added it to the collection because...
Where did you find it?
Oh, yeah. Okay, have you guys been to a NAPA that has plumbing fittings, pipe fittings, grills, packouts? This NAPA had the track saw replacement splinter gasket. They didn't sell the track saw, but man, this place was wild. It was like an Anderson's or like a Tractor Supply, but it was a NAPA. So super cool. But let's get into the sale because, like I said, we're gonna do a dedicated like 2-minute tool of this. Oh wow, there's a big pouch on the back, but it's PACKOUT compatible and it's full of sale items. So let's get to the sale. Okay, so if you guys haven't figured it out, if you're new here, hey, guess what? I'm the JakeOfALL, and that was PACKOUT Princess. Things happen, life changes, events, end of an era. We've got 2 of these left for sale. We've got a bunch of sale. Oh yeah, I forgot she totally snuck this in the bag. Didn't even know that Jen bought me this. So this will be another video. We're gonna go into the depth, but it's the USB lithium. They call it the stick light with magnet and charging dock. I wanted this because of the charging dock, but I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, so hi again, JakeOfALL. going through a divorce, no more Packout Princess, don't know what her socials are. That's honestly, get your keyboard out, you can figure it out.
Let me Google that for you.
Yes. So we have 2 of the JakeOfALL Packout Princess mugs left. They're on sale. We have, I'm going to tell you about the amount. We have M18 PLA tool holders. They're on sale. We have bunk bins, Bitbins. They're on sale. We have stash boxes. They're on sale. We have the vac-out conversion for the old Milwaukee non-Packout compatible vacuum. Bit holders, all on sale. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over this. Okay, so site-wide, we're doing sales on almost everything. So let's go. Neat Tools is 15%. So if you buy anything that we resell from Neat Tools, 15%. 10 spot, we're doing 20%. So that's awesome, right? So JakeOfALL, us, the stuff that's got my name on it, the stuff we print, whatever, we've got a 15% that's going to be on things like the vac-out kits, the stash boxes, okay? Center cups, right? But these tool holders, these M18 tool holders are 70% off. This is under the, if you check the category at the top, it's called closeout items. A bunch of the closeout items are 40% off. That's awesome, right? But the best one is this stuff. So Bitbins or BOGO. So if you buy one of these and you add one of these to your cart, you're going to get this one half off. If you buy 2 of these, put 2 of them in your cart, one of them's half off.
It's a mix and match. You're not
It's
stuck
absolutely
with
a mix and match.
2 of one thing.
And the BOGO even extends to a couple of these massive misfit boxes. Now, it's going to be a little weird because one's 45, one's 35, and there's 3 total. So the first 2 of you who add them to your cart, you're going to get the second box half off. Now, if you buy something more expensive that's in the BOGO, it seems to work out pretty well. We also are doing, it's not BOGO, there should be a BOGO 2. So if you buy 2 of these, you get this one for free. So
What
when
are
you,
those?
they're the bit holders. And these are the new style with the O-rings, and they hold the bits much better. So if you buy a bunch of these bit bins, which you're getting for buy one, get one, and you go, I want to put my bits in them, well, you're going to grab the bit, you're going to install it in the bin, and you're going to go, this looks great, but I should get 2 more. And when you add 1 more to your cart, as soon as you do that, this guy is free. So, and while this is not a dedicated video onto this guy, and don't worry, there is more. While this is not a dedicated onto this one, we'll do it. But, you know, I wanted to put all this stuff in it. And I wanted to use, say, PACKOUT, honestly, in the title. But it's a big PACKOUT sale. All kinds of different stuff for your PACKOUTs. And here's the best part. If you remember. Now, this one, all of those discounts are going to be automatic. But this one, you're going to have to remember. So, what I want you to do is when you're done, and the discounts apply when you add it to your cart. You won't see it until you add it to your cart. But once you add it to your cart and you get to the shipping section, if you type the phrase ship it in, if you spend over $150, it ships for free. But there's more. We are literally just going to grab items off the shelf, you name it, and you're going to get something free with the order. So you spend over $150. Granted, you're going to have to add more to your cart to spend over $150 because you're getting a bunch of BOGOs or buy 2, get 1 free, or 70% off. But that's fine because we have tons of printers. They're all running. We've stocked up on all the bins and things that we're doing BOGO on. So add it to your cart. Make sure you remember to type ship it if you spent more than $150. And it's going to be going all weekend and maybe a little more.
Well, if you're on the email blast list.
Yes. What about the email blast list? Okay. I don't know. What am I saying? She's adding. We do have an email list, which if you are on the website and you ever purchase anything, there's a little checkbox that says add me to your email list. So
You'll
if you're
get that code and
Yeah.
then maybe some extra information.
Yeah. So we include this kind of information in the email blast list, but we also are going to write that code down. That code is not going to be listed in the description, but there will be just a giant shop.jakeofall for all your sales. I'm not going to list them all out. You're going to have to go to the site, find the stuff you want to add it to your cart, and just start watching the discounts stack up. But don't forget, ship it if you spend more than $150, and you're just going to get it all shipped for free then too. Because if you're spending $150 and you end up getting a crate cap, these cost a lot to ship, but they're not now. So add the stuff to your cart. Don't forget the discount code. I don't really have anything else to say other than I'm working on the video for the cart. Got something really cool for that. We're going to introduce something.
There's Jonah Popes in some of those?
There's Jonah Popes. There's a washout. There's sandpaper bins. Big stuff, right? These Misfit kits are loaded to the top.
But it's not that they're not functional. They're just
That's
not
true.
as aesthetically pleasing.
This one's a great example. These are for your micro bits, and it's got all these stupid supports that you have to spend way too much time peeling off. But they're definitely functional. This one is a vac out kit. It just isn't pretty, but still functional. So I hope you guys all have some good time with your family. But if you sort of snuck away, I think they'd understand. And you could say, look, I'm saving 70% on some stuff. I'm getting some BOGO. You name it. Family, I'll be back. You know I have this tool obsession anyways. So at this point, I've got to pack this stuff out. And you guys need to get back to your family instead of watching my video. And then, while they're all secretly in bed, I'm going to leave this one here for the customers. When they're all secretly in bed, you can hop on your phone and head over to shop.jakeofall.com and take advantage of the sales. I got to go. So it's time to pack out.